First dog. Look at that double catch on this fella. How about that? Beautiful dog. Hell yeah. Yeah. Whacked him on 2 traps there. Must be, oh yeah, my 3rd trap's there in the ground still. Make sure there's not another dingo sitting around. Beautiful, nice bitch. Hell yeah. Here we go guys, here's this big old bitch you watched me shoot there. Just a Sabi. Looks like I think I hit her on the front paw catch and only just too, look I only just got her. And then got her in the back one. But yeah, nice big dog. Very skinny, she's needing a feed. But yeah, just come in to have a go at this big dead boar here. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, right, just coming along the track here. Just had to shoot the bastard quick, because otherwise he'll get up, but yee-hoo. Nice dog. Look at that. Beauty. I think it's actually a just a pup actually. Yeah. Nice bitch. Beautiful. You. Here's a better look at her. I'll just show you the other side. Yeah. Beautiful, nice dog. Very pretty. Got big canines on it. Beautiful. Hell yeah.